Hi guys, hi. Welcome to IIT Bioinfo. Today, in this video, I am going to tell you about a demo exam of a GATE Humanities and Social Science paper. Okay, so guys, this video will be lengthy and this video will be very helpful and useful for you guys. So please watch this video till the end and please like and share this video with your friends. Guys, I'll give you how you will take your GATE examination during GATE 2021. Okay, so guys, this video will give you whole idea how the exam will occur. Okay, how you can take your you will take your examination. Okay, how you can put your answer, how you can clear your answer. So all the details I'll give you. Okay, I'll give you live. So guys, just follow this interaction. You can download this video during your examination. You can learn step by step. So guys, this video will be good, this video will be helpful, this video will be useful for you guys, and I will give you every like every important information related to GATE Humanities and Social Science paper. Guys, all of you know it very well now because I have made many videos related to humanities and social science. Guys, I think you are getting like many important information from my YouTube channel. Uh, those who will be benefited, like who will get benefit like from my YouTube channel, please, if you need any information, you can give your opinion in the comment box. So guys, it will be good for me to make my previous and future videos. It will be like according to your queries and questions. So guys, someone requested me to make videos on economics. So guys, I promised you I will make videos on economics. Okay, so guys, this video okay, let's start. So guys, I think all of you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. So just put Google GATE 2021, and then you have to go candidate login or IITB website, domain main domain of GATE. So click on it, you'll get this type of interface. Okay, then information brochure, documents and important dates, eligibility, frequent asked questions, and then important notice. So you have to click on it. Okay, just click on it, you'll get this type of interface. Okay, this type of interface, and then just scroll down, and you will get this type of interface. Okay, like, and you will get this notice. Okay, so guys, you have to go this part, important notice, and then you have to go this part, GATE 2021 mock test links. Okay, so now you will get this type of interface, and just scroll down, you will get every GATE paper. Okay, 27 GATE papers. Okay guys, I am making this video just for humanities and social science student. So guys, those who are from different branches, those who are from this background, some from economics, some from English, linguistics, some from philosophy, psychology and sociology, and so on, whatever the subject from humanities and social science background. So those who are eligible, I have made many videos regarding eligibility criteria. Okay, eligibility criteria, everything. So guys, I'll show you like every information, how you will take your examination during GATE 2021, and that will be held on like held on like 14 February. Okay, 14 February. So 2021. So just I am showing you the details how you will take your examination. Okay, so guys, just click on it. Oh guys, okay guys, these are the main optional paper for humanities and social science student. So I am showing you like students from for like economics. Okay, so any student from humanities and social science candidate can get idea what will be the procedure, how you can put your answer, how you can clear your option. Okay, there will be like 4 options, 5 options. Okay, how you can clear, how you can put your answer. Okay, I will show you everything. So guys, please watch this video till the end. It will be very helpful video for you guys. So just click on it and you will get this type of interface. Those who are familiar with the computer based system, so like I think this will be good for you. And those who are not from those who are not familiar with this system or computer based examination system, so guys, this video will be helpful for you guys. Okay, so you will get this type of interface during your examination when you will enter your center, and you will get a computer, and when you will sit, okay, in front of your computer, you will get this type of interface. Okay, here will be your name, here will be your picture, and this will be like system name. Okay, and here you will get like this type of interface. Okay, you have to put your registration number, this part. Okay, this login part, and you have to put like your password here. And what will be your password, I am telling you guys, your date of birth will be your password. Okay, okay, date of birth, remember guys, your date of birth will be your password. Okay, just you have to put your date of birth. Okay, only digit. Okay, only digit. Okay, then you have to sign in. Okay, just click on it, you will get this type of interface. Okay, so follow this instruction, actually general instruction, and read the following instruction carefully. You'll get same thing. Okay, it just not only your demo examination, it will be everything similar during your examination. So just read carefully, and this will be your option, like different option pattern. Okay, this option means that you have not answered the question. This type of symbol, actually this type of symbol or picture, you can think like you have answered the question, and I will show you everything. So guys, just scroll down and then next, and you will get this checkbox. Okay, it will be your left hand side. Just click on it, and then it will be activated. Okay, so I am ready to begin. So guys, this is your examination time. So you will get everything. Okay, you will get everything, guys. Just see, this is the general part, general aptitude part. Okay, this is the general aptitude part. If you want to go to the reasoning section, just click on it. You'll get every question number 1. So if you want to go like second question, just come this part, you have to come this part, just click on question 2. Then if you want to go question 3, so this. If you want to go last question, so just you will get this part, just click on it. So you will get like question 15. If you want to go like question 9, just click on it, you will get like question 9. Okay, just guys, you can practice this very well. Okay, you have to go IIT GATE homepage, and whatever like I am telling you, you can follow every step. Okay, if you want to go this part, okay, that's mean I have visited. Okay, this color or symbol means that I have visited this. Okay, but I have not answered. Okay, so if I want to like mark and review, okay, so every option you can, you will get, guys. If you want to your economics part, those who are from economics background, you can see everything. So what will be the your number of question? So you will get 40 question. Okay, some question will be 1 mark, some question will be like 2 marks. Okay, so you can get this. So it will be good like this. So it is numerical, so there will be no negative marking. See guys, this question actually numerical question, so in numerical question there will be no negative marking. So guys, this you can see this. So correct answer you will get 2 marks and negative marks 0. What is that meaning? What is the meaning of it? Meaning of it? So guys, in numerical, in gate examination, for numerical there will be no negative marking for numerical. Okay, just remember it guys. If you want to go like this question, so you can no negative marking. But if you want to go like theoretical question, okay, like there is negative marking. So marks will be like 2, so your negative marking will be 2/3. Okay, so you will get your time, and here will be your calculator. You can use this calculator, you can use for your calculation. So I'll make a separate video. Just if you want to erase this, just click on it. Okay, so guys, this is the main pattern. If you like, if you want to learn everything from my video, please like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, please subscribe my YouTube channel and likes my video, and just put your queries in the comment box. So guys, I'll make videos according to your like queries. Okay, so I'm going to this general aptitude part. So you will get 10 question. So some will be like 1 marks question. Your negative marking will be 1/3. So this. So guys, I had made a video on like mainly for reasoning. Okay, general aptitude. Okay, so I told you guys you will get at least 1 question from like data interpretation. You will get surely 1 question from data interpretation, and you will get like 2 marks. Guys, see, there is negative marking. Okay, okay, but for your optional paper there will be no negative marking for numericals, but here you can get negative marking. Just remember it guys. Okay, so I want to show you one more thing guys. Like this type of question, 1 mark question, negative marking will be 1/3. If you want to go this part, you can, your question will be changed, like it will be like analogy reasoning guys. White, it means that like one type of in like whitening, so light will be what. So you can choose any type of answer, what will be the right answer, you can put it. Like I want to show you one more thing guys. So guys, look, you will get at least 1 question from preposition and so on. Okay, so guys, like while I agree dash his proposal, and this time I do not often agree like dash him. So like I am taking any type of answer, like first is to, and second option is with. Okay, so I am going to answer this. Okay, if I am sure about my answer, so I can save and next. Okay, I can save and next. So guys, look, the symbol color will be changed. It means that the question is answered. Okay, but if you want to change this answer, just click on it and then change and then like if you want to like this, so if you want to change this answer, then click on the answer box and then save and next. So it will be like, it will be automatically saved. Okay, so like if you want to visit one more time, see, it will be your answer. Okay, so this is the pattern, and this pattern you can get similarly during your examination. Okay guys, so guys, look, like it will, the answer will be like I'm not reading this, and if answer will be this, if the answer is this. Okay, so if you want to save this answer, if you are, if you are 100% sure, okay, then you can save this answer, your answer will be like. But if you want to change this answer, so then come back to that to this question, and then if you want to change this answer, like decrease will be the answer. So next you can this. Guys, one more thing I want to show you. If you want to like revisit your queries, if you are not sure, if you are 50% or 80% sure, like this, what will be the answer? Okay, suppose this will be the answer, lightning. So if you want to write this, okay, this, so if you are not sure, but you thought you will do it one more after your whole question paper, when will your question paper will be completed. Okay, so if you want to visit one more, so guys, you will get this type of symbols. Okay, it will remember it will remind you this answer, like you want to visit one more time. So if you leave this, so your answer will be automatically saved, because your your like your answer will be taken by the computer automatically. Okay, but if you want to like clear your response, just click on it, it will be like this. Okay, that means not answered. So guys, those who are from economics background, just if you want to like, if you want to do like first economics, just then just click on it. Okay, so you will get every question. Okay, this part, this part. Okay, so guys, these are the all things today. This is like so guys, this is all about today. Thank you, all the best. I think you will do it very well during your examination. Okay guys,